The limited distribution product matrix within Armanino's Life Science solution for Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Operations provides users with a means to control the distribution of products based upon any known restrictions. It then prevents sales order picking and shipment based upon rules set up within the limited distribution product matrix, or LDPM for short, such as shipment of particular items to certain countries. With the limited distribution product matrix functionality, life science companies can better comply with regulations and manage where products can be shipped, ultimately avoiding fines, investigations, and other penalties. In Dynamics 365 for Operations, we've added an LDPM setup form under Inventory Management Setup. Here you can see the various restrictions I've already created. For example, item MD011 can't ship to end users in Canada. There can also be restrictions by customer group, item group. Here we see that item MD012 can't ship to any customers in the United States. However, there's a second LDPM restriction here that excludes customer US 017, meaning it can ship to only that customer in the US. Also, rather than restrictions based on ship to country, they can be based on bill to customer, end user, or all three. And the restrictions can have a date range, from date, to date, or both, and a note can be added if desired. When a sales order line is created, the system checks this LDPM setup table to determine whether the item, customer, or country is listed. If the LDPM setup has a record for that item, customer, or country with a valid date range or no date range, the system then automatically puts that sales order line on hold to prevent the user from creating a new picking list or posting the packing slip. And, depending on the address type, here, the system looks at ship country, bill to country, and end customer country, or all three. Let's see how this works. This restriction shows that item MD020 cannot be shipped to any customer. So if I create a new sales order for that item, we'll see that the line is automatically put on an LDPM hold. So I'm creating a new sales order, selecting any customer, picking item MD020, and I'll hit save. And then we see sales order line 1 with ship to address type has been placed on an LDPM hold. If we look at the line details, we can see that the hold checkbox is marked. And if I go to holds, we can see that the hold type is LDPM. Based upon your company's compliance practices, you may at times wish to allow sales order lines to be edited to allow shipment to a particular customer or country, and you could do so here by removing the hold. Once this hold has been removed, the sales order line can then be picked, shipped, and invoiced. If you'd like to learn more about Armanino's Life Science solution for Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Operations, or get a personalized demo using your company's data, just let us know.